guys, welcome to our Prestone Car Care series. I'm Gabby.
And I'm Kent.
We're here to teach you how to keep your major investment, your car, in tip-top shape with some simple and useful tips. If there's one part of your car that should be really looked after, it is the brakes.
And you are correct, Gabby. A reliable brake system helps ensure safety for you, your loved ones, and of course others on the road.
So my main man Ken and I will show you how to keep safe with Prestone.
Thank you, Gabby. And Gabby, do you know that experts say that most people just refill their brake fluids now and then? And you know what's called? Topping up. This is a good practice, but sometimes it's not just enough to top up brake fluid. If your brake fluid is contaminated or at the lower boiling point, it needs to be changed. So how does your brake fluid get contaminated? Well, after 12 to 18 months of use, the boiling point of brake fluid drops significantly as it absorbs more moisture from the air, the environment, and when passing by flooded areas. Now, as you step on the brakes to stop a car, that old brake fluid boils at a lower temperature, creating vapor bubbles inside your brake system. Now, this is called vapor lock. And because of this, you might feel a slight spongy feeling when you brake, making it a little difficult to press down. And apart from that, old brake fluid may corrode and clog some of your vehicle's metal hydraulic components like valves and pistons. And yes, that is bad news for your car. Now, there are two ways to check on your car's brake fluid. One, you can pop the hood and check it yourself. Or two, you can bring it to any Prestone service center partner for brake fluid inspection. To find out how to check up on your car's brake fluid, watch the other Prestone car care videos. And when it's time to change your car's brake fluid, don't let it wait. You have to do it right away.
Yes, so true. Thank you, Ken. So make it a habit to check your car's brake fluid every now and then. So the right thing to do is 1, top up regularly, 2, flush and fill at least once a year after the warranty period.
Now, for more information, follow us on Facebook. That's www.facebook.com/PrestonePhilippines.
Yes. Okay guys, so see you next time. Always stay safe on the road and remember, protect it, Prestone it.